If you're looking to ensure the safety of your home in 2024, it is imperative to invest in an exterior security camera. An exterior security camera is a remarkable home surveillance device that grants you the ability to monitor activities in the vicinity of your home. These cameras are purposefully designed for outdoor use, boasting a weatherproof casing, exceptional night vision capabilities, and multiple power options such as electric cords, batteries, or power over Ethernet (PoE). We have listed the top 5 best exterior security cameras for homes in 2024 and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We'd have also included the link to each security camera in the description box so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is the Aosu Floodlight camera. The Aosu Floodlight cameras can boost your home security to the next level in 2024. With state-of-the-art 3K UHD resolution, it ensures crystal clear imagery, providing twice the clarity compared to standard 2K cameras. It is designed for outdoor surveillance and excels at capturing distant details with exceptional precision, even in low light or nighttime scenarios. It is equipped with 3 PIR motion sensors spanning an impressive 270 degrees range and effortlessly detects and tracks moving targets, leaving no blind spots unmonitored. With its game-changing 24/7 recording capability, this advanced system ensures constant surveillance, providing round-the-clock monitoring for enhanced security. The exterior security cameras offer extra protection, ensuring no critical events or suspicious activities go unnoticed. This remarkable feature not only safeguards valuable assets, but also prioritizes the safety and well-being of individuals, creating a secure environment for peace of mind. With a 270 degrees wide-angle illumination and an adjustable brightness of up to 2600 lumens, these cameras deliver vivid full-color recordings even in the darkest hours of the night. Capture every detail with precision and clarity. Connectivity is made seamless with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, ensuring effortless device pairing. And with compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant, you can enjoy the convenience of voice-activated smart monitoring. If you're interested in this exterior security camera, check out the link in the description box below. Number 2 is FourPack Wireless Outdoor Security Cameras. The FourPack Wireless Outdoor Security Cameras offer all-in-one surveillance to protect your home in 2024. With a robust 5,200 mAh battery, these cutting-edge cameras can operate on a single charge for 1 to 6 months to innovative low-power technology. You can experience the crystal-clear 5MP 2.7K resolution, capturing every detail, even in low-light conditions. Enjoy the flexibility to choose between full-color and infrared night vision, with a remarkable visibility range of up to 33 feet. Installing the FourPack Wireless Outdoor Security Cameras is incredibly easy, and it just takes 5 minutes. Moreover, the included bracket screws make the process even more convenient. As for storage, you have multiple options. You can utilize the OKN app to enjoy free 3-day rolling cloud storage for life without needing a subscription. Alternatively, you can save videos on a micro SD card not included, with a capacity of up to 256 gigabytes. This system includes human-only detection, effectively minimizing false alarms while providing support for two-way audio calls, ensuring seamless communication. With a broad 120-degree viewing angle, you can have peace of mind knowing that your home is well protected. This camera are designed to work on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, ensuring compatibility with most home setups. If you want to purchase this security camera right now, then check out the link given in the description box. Number 3 is the Sonado 2K Home Outdoor Camera. The Sonado 2K Home Outdoor Camera is a wireless camera that offers comprehensive home security with all the essential features. It boasts a crystal-clear 2K resolution and versatile night vision modes, ensuring visibility in low connectivity or during nighttime. The camera captures sharp imagery with its 2304 x 1296 resolution, and even in the event of a network issue, it seamlessly switches to 768 x 432 PSD resolution to ensure uninterrupted surveillance. No need to worry about the weather. This IP65 rated camera is designed to withstand rain, snow, and harsh conditions, ensuring long-lasting durability. With its 360-degree PTZ function, you can remotely control the camera to pan, tilt, and zoom, providing you with a comprehensive and detailed view of your surroundings. Whether monitoring your home or securing a commercial space, this camera is built to deliver reliable performance in any situation. With PIR and AI detection technology, this camera actively identifies human presence, allowing seamless two-way audio communication through your mobile device. You have the option to store your footage locally on an SD card, granting you control and access without relying on the internet. Alternatively, you can choose cloud storage for secure online backup, providing peace of mind for up to 30 days. And if you like this exterior security camera, be sure to check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is XVIM2 PCS Solar Security Cameras. The XVIM2 PCS Solar Security Camera is one of the most highly versatile and advanced for exterior home security. It takes surveillance to new heights, offering unmatched features that ensure the protection of your home around the clock. With 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, you can expect a stable connection, while the pan/tilt capability provides extensive coverage, securing every angle with a horizontal range of 355 degrees and a vertical range of 90 degrees. Although auto-rotation is not supported, the Home Pro app allows you to effortlessly slide the button for a complete 360 degrees protective view. With its powerful 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery, this camera ensures uninterrupted operation even during extended periods. It boasts an impressive IP65 waterproof rating and remains durable and reliable in various weather conditions, providing peace of mind and worry-free usage. With an impressive 2.5K HD resolution, it provides stunningly clear images with full-color night vision, even in low-light conditions. Don't forget the convenient features like two-way talk and PIR motion detection, which enable remote access and seamless communication. Plus, enjoy the benefits of multi-user connectivity and flexible storage options, including micro SD card and cloud storage, ensuring that your data remains secure and accessible only to authorized accounts. To get this wireless exterior camera right now, click on the link in the description box below. Number 5 is VIZUI Solar Security Cameras. When it comes to fortifying your home security in 2024, the VIZUI Solar Security Camera reigns supreme as one of the most advanced and feature-packed options for exterior surveillance. It is powered by solar energy and boasts a 100% wire-free design. And this exterior camera combines a high-capacity battery with a top-notch solar panel that achieves exceptional conversion rates. Bid farewell to the inconvenience of battery replacements and complex wiring, and this camera ensures uninterrupted protection while offering unparalleled convenience. The VIZUI Solar Security Camera offers an impressive 2K Full HD resolution, surpassing the conventional 1080p security cameras by 1.5 times. It boasts a PTZ, pan-tilt-zoom feature, allowing for a horizontal rotation of up to 355 degrees and a vertical rotation of up to 90 degrees. With the user-friendly Cloud Edge app, you can effortlessly monitor and control the camera remotely, providing comprehensive 360-degree coverage of your property. The best part of its human motion detection capability is its ability to significantly reduce false alarms by up to 90%. You have the option to play back recorded video clips as evidence, which can be stored either on a micro SD card, supporting up to 128 gigabytes, not included, or in cloud storage with a 7-day free trial. You can access real-time two-way audio communication to interact with potential intruders or visitors. So to buy this solar exterior security camera, check out the link mentioned in the description box below. After reviewing each of the top 5 best exterior security cameras for homes in 2024, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. No matter what your surveillance needs are, one of these best exterior security cameras should definitely fulfill them. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that your home or property is always protected. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.